Get acquainted with the 2021 Toyota Highlander. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a sleek and sporty Toyota Highlander your family will love. From its safety and driver assistance tech to its multiple climate control zones and infotainment system, this smooth-riding, quiet, roomy 3-row crossover offers the capability and creature comforts to help you make the most of every road trip. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, power passenger seat, remote engine start. Whether you need a spacious cargo hauler or a refined road trip cruiser, this Highlander is ready for the task. Treat yourself to a test drive. Our knowledgeable staff is here to make your experience easy and fun.